In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Bitly. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So after login, you will see this is Bitly dashboard. Now click on QR code. Then again create a Bitly code. Then here I paste my targeted link. So if you want to write a title, this is optional, but I want to write this Google. Then create a link, share option, create a link. This is a QR code. Create a link for share with friends and any others. Then Bitly link domain. If you want to add your own domain, you must be need upgrade your plan, but I don't recommend you first. Then just click on design your code. That's it. My QR code are already ready for download. Then if you want to change its color to red, and this is a green, and etc., but I like it black. Okay, everything good. Then click on create your code. That's it. Wow, you can download its png, and in png, jpg and svg you can download anyone. But if you don't like to download it, you can share with this code. This is a link. If you click copy and then paste on others browser, you can directly going to the targeted point. I click on download png. It's already downloaded to my computer. Done. Thanks for watching. See you again.